Have you ever heard the saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Spike, roll. See? Well, it turns out that there was once a similar belief about our brains. Turns out that belief was completely wrong. Roll.
In the early 20th century, the father of modern neuroscience, Santiago Ramon y Cajal, proposed the dogma that dominated our understanding of the brain for decades. He suggested that the human adult brain was something fixed, immutable, and that everything could die and could never be reborn. However, in the 1960s, scientists started finding hints that maybe, just maybe, our brains could generate new neurons. But the biggest breakthrough came in the late 1990s and the early 2000s, when researchers discovered something incredible: neural stem cells.
Fast forward to today, and we now know that this discovery was just a tiny piece of a much larger puzzle.
Neural stem cells are like the superheroes of our brain. They have this remarkable power to create brand new cells throughout our life. They can be found in two specific regions of the brain, the subventricular zone and the hippocampus. Here, neural stem cells multiply and create new neurons. This process, called human adult neurogenesis, has been shown to be important in several processes, such as memory, learning, and adapting to new environments.
So, what does this mean for us? Well, it means that our brains have a built-in repair system. For example, if you have a brain injury, like a stroke, neural stem cells can step in and replace some of the damaged cells, potentially helping you recover some of the lost functions.
And, as we age, our brains naturally change, sometimes for the worse. But neural stem cells might offer us a way to slow down or even reverse these changes. And for diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, which affect millions worldwide, understanding how to activate these neural stem cells could mean developing new treatments or even finding a cure.
In the world of science, discoveries like these are like finding a hidden treasure. They challenge old beliefs, spark new ideas, and pave the way for innovative treatments that can improve and someday save lives. So, the next time you hear the phrase, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, just remember that our brains are never too old to adapt, learn, and regenerate, thanks to the power of neural stem cells. Spike, let's go home.